So different ways to create NumPy arrays. So creating NumPy arrays using either lists or tuples. Look at the example. I have a list of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements are separated by comma placed within square brackets. So using array function, using numpy.array function, from the list we are creating a NumPy array. So variable is equal to np.array within bracket the name of the list. Here the name of the list is my list, and the name of the NumPy array is NumPy underscore array. As you know, variable name can be anything. Instead of my list, use X. Instead of NumPy underscore array, use Y. So from the list, array is created. So you can initialize a NumPy array using different functions. One is numpy.zeros. You create an array filled with zeros. Dot ones, array filled with ones. Dot full. So it creates an array filled with a specified value. You need to specify the values here. Arrange creates an array with values that are evenly spaced within a given range. And LIN space array with the values that are evenly spaced over a specified interval. We'll see some examples here. So import NumPy as np. So wherever there is NumPy, use np dot. First example, np dot zeros 2, 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Dot ones 3, 3. 3, 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. You can see the output there. Third one, dot full 2, 2, 7. 2, 2, 7. See the output? So here we have the output. 2, 2, 2 rows, 2 columns, filled with 7, all 7s. Look at dot arrange 0, 10, 2, and LIN space 0, 1, 5. See the output? Look at the range 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2. And look at LIN space. So 0, 1. So 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1 dot. So create a NumPy arrays using random numbers. Look at that function np.random.rand. Similarly, np.random.rand np.random.rand int random integers. Let's see the examples. The first example, np.random.rand 2, 3. 2, 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, random.rand n 2, 2. The third one, rand int random integers within the range 1 to 10, and the size is 2, 3. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. And creating NumPy arrays using matrix routines. Dot EYE creates an identity matrix of specified size. Dot DIAG, that is a diagonal array. Dot zeros like. So creates an array of zeros with the same shape and type as given an array. Similarly, dot ones like. Let's see some examples. Import numpy as np eye identity matrix. 3 means 3 cross 3. Second one, diagonal 1 2 3. Look at the diagonal matrix 1 2 3, that is 3 cross 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. Zeros like, look at the zeros like within brackets diagonal array. The diagonal array is a 3 cross 3 array of 1 2 3. Ones like diagonal array. See the output? So zeros like a diagonal array 3 cross 3 all of zeros. Ones like a diagonal array 3 cross 3 all of ones.